Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clearing the immediate visual clutter. Long press any empty space on your Pixel home screen to open editing mode, then tap Widgets or Home Settings. Once you see the Google search bar widget, try dragging it to remove or trash. Do it deliberately and hold until the remove target appears. If the bar resists removal, make sure you have an alternate launcher ready or plan to disable the Google app, because some Pixel builds pin the bar by default. Next, replace or neutralize the system behavior. Install a third-party launcher like Nova or Launcher from Play Store, because launchers control home layout and let you remove persistent widgets. Once installed, go to Settings, Apps, find the Google app and choose Disable if you cannot remove the bar otherwise. This stops the app from re-adding it. Then set your new launcher as the Home app in Settings, choose it, and open it to confirm the search bar is gone from your home screen. To finish, customize the new launcher. Adjust grid size, re-add widgets you want, and set gestures so you do not miss functionality. If you disabled the Google app, re-enable only when necessary. Remember that will likely restore the search features. If the bar reappears, clear the Google app cache, reboot the phone, and check Home app defaults. Once done, make sure the new launcher is still set as default. If problems persist, reset Home preferences or reinstall the launcher.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.